Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for 3rd December. And first of all, national news. PM Modi expressed concern over digital frauds, cybercrimes, and AI threats. Fourth, India Malaysia joint military exercise Harimau Shakti begin. President Murmu to confer national awards for empowerment of persons with disabilities on December 3. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal introduced Coastal Shipping Bill 2024 in Lok Sabha. 609 routes connecting 86 unserved airports operationalized under UDAN scheme. World Maritime Conference 2024 to be held in Chennai from December 4 to 6. Indian Navy to induct 96 ships and submarines in next 10 years, Navy Chief. ECI's annual Sports Week begin in New Delhi. Cyclone Fingal, red alert issued for heavy rainfall in Kerala. Fadnavis to be Maharashtra CM, legislature party meet in 2 days, BJP leader. Centre scrapped windfall profit tax on crude oil, petrol, diesel exports. Over 25,000 tenements surveyed for Dharavi redevelopment project. Bangalore, parts of Karnataka to receive rainfall for next 2 days. And now some international news. Russian President Vladimir Putin approved the budget 2025 on Sunday. $16 billion siphoned yearly during Sheikh Hasina rule, Bangladesh report. Apocalyptic UN chief on situation in Gaza amid Israel-Hamas war. UNESCO declared West Bengal as top heritage tourism spot, Mamta Banerjee. Now some sports news. India in talks to host 2036 Olympics. Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024, India to lock horns with Malaysia in semi-final. Under 19 Asia Cup, India won ODI match against Japan by 211 runs at Sharjah Cricket Stadium. India in talks to host 2036 Olympics. Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024, India to lock horns with Malaysia in semi-final. Hardik Pandya's honest take on Mumbai Indians IPL 2025 squad. Now business related news. Centre scrape windfall profit tax on crude oil, petrol, diesel exports. India recorded 45% surge in FDI to $29.79 billion in April to September. India's coal production registered 35% growth till November in current fiscal year. And that's all in news. Thank you.